Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammad Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover for the Valentine's Day. For that we need a round dia of 10 mm red strip that we have to make first this heart shape, and we have to make the heart with the heart shape with the small hearts. Okay, for that we need a cooling tool, cutter, tweezer, glue, and of course heart shape and some beads. So let's get started friends to make a quick heart shape. After that we have just fixed the stuff in our greeting card cover. So we have to put in a 10 mm round shape dia, put the glue, press from the one side that make the petal shape, seem like this. I already make one before that petal, and we just adjust or fix or make a heart. We need 20 hearts for a greeting card. Hearts for make the greeting card heart. So as you can see, we make the heart shape, and we should draw a heart in a card. Then you just see the next part of the video, how can we put all the stuff.